Welcome to Hannibal Regional Hospital, the leading healthcare provider of high-quality contemporary patient-centered care. Hannibal Regional Hospital is a 105-bed acute care hospital providing community health care and behavioral health services to more than 125,000 residents in the tri-state area. As a non-for-profit, community-owned, and locally governed hospital, Hannibal Regional Hospital continues to focus its efforts on meeting the health and wellness needs of those currently being served, as well as those of future generations. In addition to Hannibal Regional Hospital, Hannibal Regional Healthcare System, Hannibal Regional Medical Group, the James E. Carey Cancer Center, Hannibal Children's Center, and Hannibal Regional Hospital Foundation all have offices on the main campus. Services are provided in 12 locations throughout Northeast Missouri and Illinois. More than 1,000 team members come together each day in pursuit of a vision to promote community health and provide quality health care to residents of our region. Through continued pursuit of excellence in services provided, our team will continue to meet and exceed the health, wellness, and economic needs of our patients for generations. Hannibal Regional Hospital, advanced medicine, compassionate care. Please visit hrhonline.org to learn more about services provided, community resources, donor opportunities, and healthcare careers.